In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can collect together like terms. Now, in a previous video I'll link here, we learned that we can only group together like terms, so i.e. letters that are exactly the same. But it also works when we've got the same letter but with different powers. So here I've got the problem 5a squared, take away 4a squared, they are my like terms, and 3a add 2a. So rewriting this problem, 5a squared minus 4a squared plus 3a plus 2a. Grouping together the like terms, you can see that I'll have just one a squared left, and also 5 a's. This can now no longer be simplified anymore because a squared is different to a, and therefore a squared plus 5a is my final answer. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So looking at the like terms to begin with, 5d squared plus 4d squared minus 2d and plus 4d. There's no need to rewrite this question because they are grouped together already. So 5d squared plus 4d squared is 9d squared. And negative 2d plus 4d will give me 2d left. This is the final answer to the question.